Hello guys, welcome to our channel Technical Rescue. So today in this video we will talk about what is evaluation and revolution as organizations grow. So age of the organization, the most obvious and essential dimension of any model of development is the lifespan of an organization. History shows that the same organization practices are not maintained throughout a long lifespan. This demonstrates most basic point management problems and principles are rooted in time. The concept of decentralization, for example, can describe corporate practices at one period but can lose its descriptive power at another. Managerial problem and practices are rooted in time. They do not last throughout the life of an organization. The passage of time also contribute to the institutionalization of managerial attitudes. As these attitudes become rigid and eventually outdated, the behavior of employees become not only more predictable but also more difficult to change. Size of organization, this dimension is depicted on the chart as the vertical axis. A company's problem and solution tend to change markedly as the number of its employees and its sales volume increase. Problem of coordination and communication magnify. New functions emerge. Level in the management hierarchy multiply and job become more interrelated. Thus time is not the only determinant of structure. In fact, organizations that do not become larger can retain many of the same management issues and practices over long period. Stages of evaluation, stages of revolution, growth rate of the industry, phases of growth. The 5 phases of growth. It is important to note that each phase is at once a result of previous phase and a cause of the next phase. For example, the evaluationary management style in phase 3 is delegation, which allows out of and become the solution to demand for greater autonomy in the preceding phase. 2 revolution creativity. Uh, in the birth stage of an organization, the emphasis is on creating both a product and a market. The following are the characters of the period of creative evaluation. The founder of the company are usually technically or entrepreneurially oriented, and they generate distinct management activities. Their physical and mental energies are absorbed entirely by making and selling a new product. Creative activities are essential for a company to do off the ground, but as the company grows, those very activities become the problem.